Hello everybody, we have the lovely Michaela right here for me today, and today we are going to go through makeup tips by Tierra. Michaela and I are going to show you how to accomplish making your eye pop. First, you start off with a good primer. MAC Prep and Prime is the best primer that I actually use. This is just what I prefer. It has a silicone base and it's really good with not creasing and holding that color right there in place. And you start off with a flat edge type blending brush, an eyeshadow brush or anything of the sort, just to actually lay the primer on. It doesn't matter the color because you're not going to be able to see it anyway. You just need something creamy to hold the color in place. This particular shadow, we're going to do a really light blue and really rich blue. I want you guys to actually be able to see the full color and the full intensity. I'm using a loose pigment because loose pigments are a little bit better as far as application. You can actually get the color and put it directly where you want it and not necessarily have to keep going back in order to actually get the color out. So I like loose colors. The only thing that you actually need is what's right there in the top. You don't need to keep dipping your brush and making a mess and scattering color all over the place. When I place the color, I pat it down as opposed to brushing it out because I want the color to show up exactly. I want it to be placed where I put it. And that's how you get the most intensity from your color. Now I'm going to go with a purple shadow just to blend everything out. Anytime you're doing something this extreme, especially if you're using a loose pigment or something like that, it's okay if it falls down, but I recommend doing your eyes first before your foundation or blush or concealer or anything else. Because then you can just go and wipe everything away. So that is basically how you make your color pop. Thank you for watching Makeup Tips by Tierra. Have a good day. Hello everyone, my name is Tierra Burrell, professional makeup artist. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at booktierra@gmail.com or www.makeupbytierra.com. Thank you.